Julia Belle was my great-grandmother. She was a hardworking mother who raised a large family, and every time we'd get together at her home, there'd be lots of good food to eat. This woman was caring, loving, kind, gentle. She loved the Lord, and she lived her life in that way that you would know that she was someone who put her faith and trust in God. We moved 5 years ago, started in the PD State Farmers Market in an old mule barn, and we outgrew the building.
It was nice to meet Fran. She and her husband Warren have been running Julia Belle's for nearly 10 years, and you can taste the love they put into every dish. Julia Belle's is all about delightfully southern flavors with that Lowcountry influence. Some of their most popular dishes: BBQ egg rolls, Grammie's pot roast, shrimp and grits, the crab cake sandwich, and those famous fried green tomatoes. Tonight, I went with the Blue Plate Special: fried pork chops, crispy on the outside, juicy inside. Paired that with a warm buttery biscuit and my two sides, classic rice and gravy and cheesy creamy grits. Everything was cooked to perfection, straight up comfort food. And for dessert, oh man, this was a game changer. Julia Belle's own White Russian Pecan Pie. It's got Kahlúa and white chocolate, and it comes with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream on the side. The rich, nutty, boozy sweetness, unreal. You have to try this. So if you're ever in Florence, make sure to stop by Julia Belle's. Trust me, this is the kind of food that feeds the soul. Big shout out to Warren for this awesome hat. Appreciate it, man.